Hi everyone. Now some of you, after you finished writing your JAMB exam, you have been so much filled with anxiety, worries. Some of you are so disturbed about the outcome of your exam. Why would you buy before your result is out? Can't you for one time have some rest in your life? Now, you don't need to worry. Whatever that happened during your exam, you don't need to worry about it. Now, the result is going to be out on the 5th of May 2025. I'm making this video on the 4th of May 2025. Why the result is going to be out on the 5th of May 2025. And this is how to check your results. So the first thing to do is pick your phone containing the SIM card you use in securing your profile code. At the time you were to register JAMB, you got a profile code that enabled you to register for your JAMB. So pick that SIM card that gave you your profile code. Now, when you have gotten the SIM card that gave you your profile code, simply go to the text message and type UTME results, UTME results, write it in capital letter. As you can see, write it in capital letter. Remember, this is test. You are writing a test. You are writing it as a text message. UTME result in capital letter and send to 55019 or 66019. It is going to cost you 15 naira only. Remember, this must be done with the SIM card you used in securing your profile code during your registration. Now, some of you will be like, what happens if the SIM card I had got lost? What happens if the SIM card I had, I can't retrieve it? Now, you don't need to worry. The only thing is that you're not going to get your result when others are getting theirs. So all you need to do is exercise patience. As soon as JAMB results are posted online, when I mean online, I mean as soon as JAMB results are posted on JAMB portal, that is when you can now access your results. Okay? All right. All the best. Please drop the anxiety and be cheerful. Come on, give me a smile. Bye.